So if you have followed my journey, you would understand how far I have come. And so when I tell you or suggest a product to you, especially for my melanated ladies or my dark skin ladies, please try them if you can, no pressures. So to start with, I am using the CeraVe Hydrating Face Wash to wash my face. And by the way, guess what? They now make a refill. So if this is finishing, keep it so you can buy a refill and save some money. I'm going to use this to wash my face, damp my face, then go with this. I'm going to massage this into my face for 1 minute. This is because I literally have a timer. This is my cute timer, and then I just go this way. So when this is ended, then it is 1 minute. I'm going to keep doing this for 1 minute, just so my face absorb all the ingredients. While massaging, my face absorb all the needed ingredients. So I massage for 1 minute, so it gets the whole goodies that is in the product. Time is up. Time to rinse off. After washing, use a face towel. This is a dedicated towel for my face, so not the same towel as my body. I use this face towel to dab my face. So basically cleaning my face, but not going very harsh. I just dab gently like this. This is why I put this here, to catch the dripping water. Okay, now that this is done, I now take this out. This is my skin after washing. Next will be to now clean the face. So I'm using the micellar water. So what I do is just do this cotton pad, and I go clean the face. Let's go. See what I'm saying? Can you see? Even after washing, you can still see that the color of the cotton pad has this discoloration. So cleaning after washing is always a good idea. Yes, back of the ears. So what I do depends on how brown, I don't want to say dirty, how brown the color of the cotton pad comes out. I usually will go for a second round, just so that I'm sure, just for double cleaning. But this is better. Now time to apply face cream. This face cream is very interesting. So what I do is, usually you might want to put it on your palm, right? And go pew pew pew. Nope. What I do is, for some reason, I just like to put it here on my wrist. And be very careful, don't go very hard. So I go like just a little. So what I do is, I take this and I go. Relax. Now, just connect the dots like this. A little more. You can see that upon first application, you can see the sense of white cast, right? Don't worry. Before you know, it's dissolving. Guys, that's it. And guys, that is it. If you know where I'm coming from and where I am now, you will understand my excitement, and you understand why I am very happy to share this with you. And no serum, of course. For the lips, Vaseline, regular Vaseline, just to moisturize the lips. And that's it. That's it. This is my routine. This is the routine that works. And no, it is not a sponsored video. Honestly, which it is, but it is not. No gatekeeping. This is what has worked for me. I don't wash my face every night. I don't apply any night cream every night. But when I do, I usually would use the olay retinol at night. So it's basically I just wash my face at night with cerave and use the olay retinol at night. But guys, honestly, just between us, I haven't done this night routine in over a month. That's the truth. So far so good. My face is happy with just the daily routine. When I mean daily routine, I mean only in the mornings. And we're good to go. Most importantly, I make sure that whatever I'm using on my face has vitamin C. Yes. It would be nice for you to like this video so that it can reach other people that will find this helpful. And I would love to hear from you in the comment section if this is your routine, if this is something you want to try, and how it's been so far with your skin journey. And how about you join my community? This is very easy. By subscribing to my channel, you are part of my community. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, share this video. You just might be saving somebody's skin. Comment, of course, like this video so that this video can reach other people. And who knows, you just might be helping somebody out there. Overall, thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess.